I'm here again. Why can't he just work with me? And they already half do this and do that. I'm at the point where I feel like I already spoke with my benefits rep, UAW Legal Services, where I need to get me an attorney. That's something I have to come out of my pocket.
Here we go, again another heated day in court. Regina Agnes is battling stress, medical leave, and a landlord who refuses to budge. A roof over her head is on the line, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Don't miss the twists. Subscribe now for more dramatic breakdowns.
Okay.
My asthma, it's just really been bad. I've been off work on a medical leave, and I explained it to him. I even explained that I was hospitalized, and I'm doing the best that I can.
Right.
I'm waiting on medical payments. And when I spoke with him on Monday, before making the payment, I said that you had stated in my Zoom last week that to see if I can work something out with
Right.
people at the office manager. Excuse me. So
Just take your time. Okay.
So I said that to him. So because we're in September now, so September is due, obviously. And so he told me to, well, that's something that our attorney would do. I said, well, so then I told him that I'll come in the office because I had a follow-up appointment from being hospitalized with my primary doctor on Tuesday, but I didn't make it in the office to see him. I'm trying to get myself together because I miss making the money that I make, So I didn't make it into the office to have a conversation with him. And he's not so easy to have a conversation with because I can say to him, like you recall me a couple months ago in here, I said, I can pay, this and that amount. And he'll say things like, well, who else do you have to pay? That's none of his business, and I already feel like I told him he stresses me out. Communication is everything. And when I try to have a conversation with him, he likes to really kind of, well, the owner said that they're not going to renew your lease. Well, the owners act like I live in the Hamptons, with the old vintage closet doors and bulky paint on the wall. So since they bringing me to court, because I felt like he really didn't have to bring me to court because, of course, yes, I need a roof over my head. I'm going to make the payments. I'm not a freeloader. I like nice things in life, but the way that apartment looked, no. That does not equate with what I like. And here it is. I'm here again. Why can't he just work with me? And they already half do this and do that. I'm at the point where I feel like I already spoke with my benefits rep, UAW Legal Services, where I need to get me an attorney. That's something I have to come out of my pocket. So I will. That's just something grandkids won't get for a little minute, It's all right. But the way he's...
Now things get fiery. Regina claims the landlord spends $1,000 just to drag her into court. That revelation adds fuel to her argument of unfair treatment. Her frustration is boiling over, and the courtroom tension is undeniable. Viewers, what do you think? Justified anger or deflecting responsibility?
And he says to me, we pay $1,000 to take you to court. Well, don't take me to court.
All right.
I pay my court costs. And I'm saying all of this, Your Honor, to say the moral of it all is he is not easy to work with. And I need my reserve oxygen, seeing that he's not, being accepted and grateful for it.
So let me ask this. 1505, when do you think you can get that
The
paid?
26th. I told him that I can make that payment.
Okay.
It could be paid by the 26th. And that's when he said, well, Doc, I don't know. It depends on what my attorney says.
Well, doesn't matter right now what they said because I'm adjourned. Can you get it paid early in the day?
The judge makes it crystal clear. Pay the $1,505 by the 26th or face dismissal. It's firm, fair, and decisive. He reminds everyone that compassion doesn't erase obligations, but timely payments might erase court dates. The gavel hasn't dropped yet, but the countdown has begun.
On the 26th, yes,
Okay,
yes.
so I'm gonna adjourn this case out to the 26th because I'm gonna have the final say. That'll be at 3
Thank you. I
o'clock.
appreciate you.
Get,
I really do.
thank you, man.
I really appreciate you being a fair judge. You're stern, but you're fair.
Stern? Is that
Yes.
a bad thing?
Oh, yeah, not at all.
Okay.
No.
Alan told me to be that way because I wasn't that way before.
You know, seeing that I have to be on your docket, I prefer to be on this docket than a criminal docket, you know?
That's probably true. All right, so get the balance paid by then. And
Okay.
if you have everything paid prior to that point and you're sure you got everything paid, you don't need to appear.
Okay, good, because I'm
Okay.
scheduled released to return to work in another week, so.
Okay, all right. So let's see if we can get that done, get it worked out, and then they'll just dismiss it if you get it.
Okay, thank you.
You have a
Thank
blessed
you.
weekend.
God bless you. You have a blessed one.
Case adjourned, but the lesson lingers. Communication matters, payments matter more, and judges balance fairness with firmness. Regina leaves hopeful, but deadlines are unforgiving. This courtroom drama shows justice in action stern, but balanced. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories that keep you on the edge.